Hello and welcome to Happy Streamers, and here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how to link Discord to your Xbox account. So it's the same thing as the last time on how to for Spotify, except this time you want to use your Xbox account. You just want to go to your user setting. From here, go to connections. Once you're inside connections, click on Xbox and then click on continue, and then continue once again. You're gonna be welcome to this website. From here, I'm just gonna create one. Wait, let me just create one real quick. Okay, so as soon as I created the account, it prompted me to this screen. So what you normally want to do is just log in to your Xbox account the same way you do it for the Spotify, and then immediately you'll be sent to this splash screen, and yeah, it's connected. So if I open up my account now, right, and if I check myself, I should have, unless, okay, it didn't pop up. We'll just do it again. Doesn't matter. Okay, it says it's connected. I'm just gonna take the word for it. So yeah, so I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.